Motivation is the biggest fucking scam of our generation. That's why you're still broke, still stuck, still doom scrolling at 2 a.m. telling yourself you'll start Monday. It's 2025. AI is firing people faster than HR can type the email. Rent's going up every other month. And kids half your age are making money posting dumb shit on TikTok. Meanwhile, you're waiting for a motivational quote on Instagram to save your lazy ass. Wake the fuck up. Motivation isn't helping you. It's keeping you weak. They sell you motivation because it makes them money, not you. Self-help books, productivity podcasts, expensive masterminds, morning routine gurus. All designed to get you hyped for 2 weeks. Then you crash and you go back for the next fix. Motivation is like junk food. It tastes good, it fills you for a second, then you're hungry as fuck again. If motivation actually worked, January gyms wouldn't be empty by February. If motivation actually worked, you wouldn't have 5 dusty journals sitting on your shelf with only the first week filled in. Here's the truth. Motivation is the drug, and you're the addict. That's why your life hasn't changed. Let's be real. How many years have you repeated the same bullshit cycle? New Year's goals, dead by March. Fresh start Monday, dead by Wednesday. Here's your reality. 9 hours to your boss, 3 hours to Netflix, 2 hours to TikTok, 0 hours to your own future. And when someone asks what you're building for yourself, silence. I've seen it firsthand. A buddy of mine wasted 3 years telling me he'd start a business when he felt ready. Today, he's in the same job, same salary, same complaints. Meanwhile, the people who didn't wait have already built something. And the worst part? Time doesn't pause. AI won't stop replacing people just because you're unmotivated. The bills don't wait. Your 20s, 30s, and they're slipping. Every day you wait for motivation, your future bleeds out. Motivation is fake. But systems are real. Think about it. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, take a piss, or check your phone 100 times a day. You just do it. It's automatic. That's how success works too. Here's the fix. Burn the fucking plan. Here's where most of you are stuck, planning your life to death. You've built 10 routines in Notion. You've bought journals, made color-coded schedules, even watched some dude on YouTube explain the perfect morning. And guess what? You never stuck to a single one. Stop bullshitting yourself. That's not productivity. That's procrastination in a Halloween mask. You don't need another plan. You need one thing that matters and the balls to commit to it. If your dream is to build a business, stop wasting time perfecting your morning meditation routine and start building the fucking business. If it's fitness, stop researching the perfect workout split and pick up the weights. You don't need another plan, you need to burn the plan and actually do the thing. Force the environment. Willpower? Forget it. Willpower dies the second your phone buzzes or Netflix asks if you're still watching. If your phone is in your hand, TikTok already won. If your desk looks like a landfill, YouTube is next. Here's the truth. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment. Make it so you can't escape the work. Put your phone in airplane mode and throw it in another room. Set your laptop up the night before, so when you sit down, the only thing staring at you is the work you promised yourself. You shouldn't have to decide every night if you're going to work. That's the trap. Decision fatigue is the killer. The work should already be waiting for you like an angry debt collector. All you have to do is show up. Make it disgustingly small. Here's another scam. Thinking you need 3-hour study sessions, perfect 5 a.m. routines, or some ridiculous 75 hard challenge. Fuck that. Start with 20 minutes. Just 20. That's it. Because let's be real, you've already wasted 20 minutes scrolling Instagram today. You've wasted 20 minutes sitting on the toilet, binge-watching reels with your pants around your ankles. Don't tell me you don't have the time. Here's the secret. Small consistency destroys big fantasies. You stack 20 minutes every day for a month, that's 10 hours. For a year, that's 120 plus hours. You think that won't change your life? It'll change everything. That's the difference between stuck you and new you. Small consistency destroys big fantasies. Stop waiting for the perfect day, just stack the damn minutes. Kill your old identity. You know why you stay stuck? Because you keep calling yourself lazy? You keep saying, I'll try. You keep posting memes about being unmotivated like it's your personality trait. And guess what? You believe your own bullshit. Here's the thing. People act according to the identity they believe in. If you keep telling yourself you're lazy, you'll act lazy. If you keep saying you're unmotivated, you'll never move. So kill that old identity. Bury it. Stop saying, I'll try. Stop saying one day. Winners don't try. Winners don't wait to feel motivated. They just do the fucking work because it's who they are. When you see yourself as the kind of person who just gets it done, you will. And when you still see yourself as the lazy kid who scrolls TikTok at 2 a.m., you'll keep living that life. Decide who the fuck you are, and your actions will follow. Choose pain over pleasure. Every single time you grab TikTok, Netflix, or porn, understand this, you are trading your future for 30 seconds of cheap dopamine. That's it. And then you wonder why you're stuck, why you're broke, why you hate yourself in the mirror. Here's the brutal truth. Growth feels like shit. Comfort feels amazing in the moment, but it's slow poison. Every second you're comfortable, your future is dying. And every second you're uncomfortable. Learning, failing, grinding, sweating. Your future is being built. Comfort is equal to death. Discomfort is equal to life. If you're not uncomfortable at least once a day, you're not growing, you're decaying. So here's the reality. Motivation is the fairy tale they sold you. Systems, identity, and discomfort, that's the real fix. Stop bullshitting yourself. Stop waiting for the spark. It's never coming. You weren't ready for half the shit life threw at you and you still survived. You don't need to be ready, you need to be consistent. So here's the challenge, tonight, not tomorrow, not Monday, not January. Tonight, give 30 minutes to your future. If you're serious, comment "no motivation needed" below. Most people will scroll past and keep living the same boring life. But if you actually do it, that 1 hour could change your whole fucking life.